The Grand Canyon is one of the 7 natural wonders of the world, although there are many questions behind how it was formed. Long ago, this part of the North American continent was underwater, and over time, layers of sediment fell. When you look at the walls of the canyon, you can see the many types of sedimentary rocks in layers based on distinct, varied colorations. Then, these layers were slowly eroded away after the land moved higher due to plate tectonics. Each layer seen in the canyon was created from different types of sediments, whether from particles of other eroded rocks in varying sizes that form sandstone, shale, or siltstone, or calcium carbonate-based limestone, which is formed by fossilized ocean organisms such as plankton, dying and then depositing along the seafloor. Over time, these loose layers are compressed deep within the Earth's crust. Then, as time passes, these solid layers are exposed for us to view. The distinct rock formations and dramatic cliffs are due to differing hardnesses of each sedimentary layer, with harder rocks eroding slower and capping steep faces of softer rocks. The granite and schist at the bottom of the canyon is extremely hard, and this is seen where the river is a swift rapid running through extremely steep canyon walls far below the rim. Essentially, the river has carved out a window of what the landscape has been over time, which is mostly underwater until uplift began. While the details are still cloudy about why the Colorado Plateau uplifted, it did so between 30 and 70 million years ago, and one can still feel the immense power of plate tectonics when viewing the canyon. Uplift of the North American plate is the reason why the top of the rim is now 7,000 to 9,000 feet above sea level. However, the details for why the uplift happened remains unclear. One important fact to know is that the formation of the canyon is quite recent. The Colorado River did not begin eroding the Grand Canyon until about 5 million years ago. This is quite recent geologically, but the results are nonetheless impressive. Climatic conditions have varied over the years, leading to different erosional phases, but with the current desert climate, erosion is slowing down. Although summer monsoonal moisture can bring torrential downpours, though the amount of water running through the canyon is likely far less than historically. Further, the river is now running through a thin passage of incredibly old, hard igneous rocks that are far more difficult to erode than the sedimentary rock of the cliff above. Therefore, there is some limit to the amount of erosion flowing water will have. Water still plays a role in the continued evolution of the canyon, with water stored within the rocks freezing during winter, expanding, and causing some rocks to crack and splinter. Then, these rocks are more susceptible to wind force or pressure changes, and rock falls are common. With this, the canyon is slowly widening and deepening, and any change in climate towards increased precipitation may likely erode away this magical landscape. While unlikely to disappear anytime soon, I still recommend visiting this awe-inspiring natural wonder of the world as soon as you can.